welcome to another section of the course. So let's dive in. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit photos, to edit video and photos. So let's dive in. Go to your Play Store and search for Face app. Okay, I've already searched for Face app. Then open the app. So let me see what the app can do. Depression, see, you can see. Okay, open the app. After opening the app, you see your photos on there. Click on one. So I just want to test with that one. So these are press on impression. Okay, let the video to process. You can see there's a little difference. So press on the sizes, big nose. So let it process. You can see there's difference. Apply. So you can give it hairstyle. So this haircut. Okay, let it process. Okay, let it process. It's processing. Okay, you can see it has changed the hairstyle. So you can change the hairstyle. So anything that you like. So you can see. Let me use. You can see it has turned the hair. So you can see. See, the app is a great app. So a great app. Let me use this. Yes, sir. Apply. So press on bed. You can use full bed. So let it process. You can see this app is a great app. To use pro version, you can pay money or you should watch ad if there is ad. Let me check if there is ad. Currently there is no ad, so you can try it. There can be ads. After you watch the ads, you have the chance to use the pro version filters. So apply, click on apply. You can use skins, you can use the original, but I don't like this. You can see it's changed the, so I don't like this. So I've changed it. So click on apply. This is the greatest version that I like. So click on age. I like this filter. So click on this baby. You can see the person is now. So answer. You can see. You can see. So let me use this code. You can see. Click on code. Yes, this app is very great. It's a great app. You can see. Click on apply. You can click on gender, female, but I don't like this option. I don't like this option. So so hair color. You can change the color of the hair. So change the color of the hair. So let me change it. You can see. That's great. So apply. So the person can wear glass. Any glass you want. You can wash ad and get the pro version glass. So since there is no ads now, so I'll be using the free glass. You can see. Click on apply. This is a very great app. So click on makeup. if you don't want makeup, you can do that. So it's a very great app. So you can face swap and many other features. You can remove backgrounds. So that's all I'll be doing. Try the app. Try the app so that you can know how to use it very well. Thanks for watching. God bless you. And the last option is to save. Click on this to save, and it's already saved in my gallery. So click on this and save to show the difference. So thanks for watching. God bless you.